Every time you start your engine, your starter motor works incredibly hard to bring your vehicle to life, drawing hundreds of amps in just a few seconds. But one small mistake can create excessive heat, increase wear, and shorten its lifespan. So, if you want to avoid starter motor problems and costly repairs, these 5 essential tips can help keep your starter motor operating reliably for years to come. 1. Follow the 10-second rule. If your engine doesn't start immediately, never crank the starter continuously for more than 10 seconds. Starter motors are designed to operate in short bursts and do not have advanced cooling systems. Continuous cranking causes excessive heat buildup inside the armature and field windings, which can damage insulation and rapidly wear down the brushes. If the engine fails to start after 10 seconds, stop cranking and wait 30 to 60 seconds before trying again. This allows the starter motor to cool down and prevents overheating. 2. Keep your battery healthy. A weak battery is one of the most common causes of premature starter motor failure. When battery voltage drops, the starter must draw more current to produce the same amount of power, generating excessive heat that can damage the solenoid contacts and commutator. Regularly clean corrosion from the battery terminals and ensure all connections are tight. If your battery struggles to hold a charge, replace it before it begins affecting the starter motor. 3. Avoid overcranking after the engine starts. As soon as the engine starts, release the key immediately. Keeping the starter engaged after the engine is running forces the starter gear to spin much faster than it was designed to. Although the starter contains an overrunning clutch for protection, repeated overcranking accelerates wear and can eventually cause the familiar metallic whining noise associated with starter failure. 4. Repair oil and fluid leaks promptly. Starter motors are often mounted low on the engine, directly beneath components that may develop oil or coolant leaks. If oil or coolant drips onto the starter, it can eventually enter the housing. Inside, the fluid mixes with carbon dust from the brushes, creating a conductive sludge that contaminates the commutator and may cause electrical shorts. Repairing leaks early helps protect the starter and other nearby electrical components. 5. Maintain clean engine ground connections. A starter motor depends on a strong electrical ground path through the engine block back to the battery. If the engine ground strap becomes loose, corroded, or damaged, electrical resistance increases. This reduces the voltage reaching the starter, causing slow cranking and excessive heat buildup inside the motor. Inspect engine ground connections regularly and keep them clean, tight, and free of corrosion. By following these 5 simple tips, you can reduce stress on your starter motor, improve starting performance, and potentially double its service life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive tips and explanations.